this is Dave from Day-Cin Vacuum Sales and Service in Dayton, Ohio. Today I want to talk about a product that fits well into the brands here at Day-Cin Vacuums, that being durability, long-lasting value, and performance. The product I'm going to speak to you today is Simplicity Vacuum Cleaner. You know, it wasn't long ago that a vacuum cleaner used to be considered appliance or a durable good. However, with the entry of bagless vacuum cleaners, we've seen the likelihood of the life expectancy of a bagless vacuum cleaner to be less than what customers consider a durable good to be. So the question should be, is a vacuum cleaner considered a durable good? Well, with the product I'm going to show you today, the Simplicity, I believe it is, because I've seen customers come in my store, a durable vacuum cleaner that's lasting 20 years and longer. The product we're talking about today is the Simplicity. Simplicity Vacuum Cleaners is made in St. James, Missouri. It's a family-owned company owned by the Tacony Corporation. And today, we're going to show you 3 lines of products that I think are just great. You'll find out that any Simplicity that you choose will meet your or exceed your expectations. The Freedom here was a standard Freedom that they made years ago. But recently, within the last 3 years, they totally redesigned the Freedom, which I like. The newer design Freedom, as you see here, has a much better bag assembly and easy to change bag. A HEPA sealed bag. So when you take that bag out, it completely seals. You're never in the dirt. And it's a big bag. With this being closed, this allows 0 emissions coming out of the vacuum cleaner. Also, they have a standard 2-speed motor in this particular model here. Much quieter motor than the past. Carrying handle on the back and a foot release. But what I like so much about it is that the big wheels that they've designed on the back of these machines, and total of 6 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, coupled with a new bottom plate that you can easily assemble onto the unit, allows this machine to go through some of the newer, thicker, softer carpets. Practically effortless. The newer design wheels in the back and a strip right through here allows this to go over wood and tile floors. This machine by itself weighs 8 pounds. It's a great product. And it comes in about 4 different model designs. The next model up has what they call a halo belt system or a lifetime belt system that never needs changing the belt. 40-foot cord. That's a long cord. And would you believe it? They actually make a battery operated one, which I think is really pretty cool. No cord. Effortless cleaning. And the charge lasts up for a full hour. You can see the charging of the much power that's left in the machine. The next product line I'd like to speak to you about is the Cemetry line, which is a vacuum cleaner that I myself have seen customers come in the store, and the product has been over 20 years, and I simply put a new belt on it, maybe a set of brushes, and cleaned it up a little bit, and it was back ready to go again. So when we look at the Cemetry line, they have the classic design and they have the new body style design, and they're both in production. So the difference will be, okay, do I want to stay with the classic, or do I want to go with the newer body style? But the vacuum cleaner itself is built of a sturdy design. Carrying handle right here. The on and off switch could either be on the side or it could be up here. You could get these in 10 amp motors, 12 amp motors, 30 to 35-foot cords. You can get them with regular bags. I like to sell the HEPA bags for changing. Much easier bag and controls more dust. The vacuum cleaner, when you lower the handle, it automatically adjusts to the carpet. This particular Cemetry line, you can actually turn the roller brush on and off from turning. That's a great feature. An extra reach hose which can reach far for cleaning, and it comes with attachments. The greatest thing that I like about the Cemetry line, and that's with the classic or the newer body style, is the ability to be able to turn the suction, decrease the suction in the back. And that's really neat because that's a great benefit, especially if you've got the newer, softer carpetings. And if you find that, you've got to like to do that equation on the newer, softer carpets that are plush. It could be a Kerastan, it could be a Caress, it could be these newer soft carpets where the vacuum cleaner pulls down. If you could decrease that suction, and you can do it with the Cemetry line by simply decreasing the suction in the back. Now the vacuum cleaner goes to clean, it's not going to pull itself down, but it's got plenty enough suction there and let the roller brush do the work. It'll pick up that dirt and deposit into the bag. These machines are called indirect air or fresh air. In other words, they're actually picking up dirt that's coming up through here and going into the bag and then exhausting it out into the front of the machine. That's called an indirect or clean air system. Another great feature that I like about the Cemetry line is that, and I mentioned about that door being able to open up, but you can actually open the door all the way, and something you can't do with a lot of vacuum cleaners, but you can with the Cemetry line, is actually put an attachment set right through this. And now you can go with a 12-foot extension to go off and do your wood floors. This particular Cemetry model, we can turn off the roller brush from turning, and this particular one comes with rubberized wheels, so you can go over wood floors and bare floors with it. And as mentioned before, I can't think of another vacuum cleaner in my line that is not a durable good. This is truly a durable good because I've just seen too many customers bring them through my store. That vacuum cleaner is 20 years old and it takes a hit and keeps running. So I think for any couple starting out that want a great vacuum cleaner and they know that's going to last them many years to come, I'd highly recommend the Symmetry line. The next vacuum cleaner I want to speak to you about the simplicity is called the Tandem Air. In this, it's called the Synergy. The Synergy being their very top-of-the-line unit. Tandem Air, or tandem meaning two. The vacuum cleaner actually has one vacuum cleaner for suction and another vacuum cleaner for the roller brush. And as you can see this here, it's looking for the dirt. You can turn the motor off. The head is fully adjustable for all types of carpeting. You can put it on automatic, or you can have the setting. So not only can you control the air, but the height adjustment can be controlled. Tandem Air meaning two, one for suction and one for the motor. This vacuum cleaner has an attachment that pulls off, and the hose can reach, well, further if I get out of camera view, of 13 plus feet. When you turn the machine on, you can direct the suction through the attachment. The product also comes with rubberized wheels underneath. We're going on over wood floors. What I like to show you now is a particle scanner. The emissions of a vacuum cleaner of the air and the dirt that's inside of a bag vacuum cleaner, that on the final exhaust can actually read 0. This is a particle scanner, and I use this in selling air purifiers within the store. But did you know that vacuum cleaners emit a lot of emissions, probably more than what we're breathing in the air because of all the dirt and contaminants that it picks up? But watch what this does with the Freedom line, the Symmetry line, and the top-of-the-line Tandem Air. This is the air we're breathing. 977,000 particles within a cubic square feet. Zero emissions. The Cemetry. Once again, that's 0 emissions. And now the Tandem Air. And right there, it's 964 thousandths in cubic feet. The final exhaust, 0. So it just goes to show you the dirt that we're picking up with the filtration of these vacuum cleaners using the HEPA bags designed for these products. You'll get 0 emissions. Thank you for watching our video. We covered a lot of vacuum cleaners in a short period of time. We went from the Freedoms to the Cemetry to the top-of-the-line Tandem Airs, Centerville. And I guess in the beginning I asked, what is considered a durable good? Well, I know from my experience and being in the floor care business, we're going on 35 years now, simplicity fits that mold of what a durable good is. So we hope you liked our video. I know we didn't cover each and every model, and there's other questions that might come about. You can ask us, contact us at Day-Cin contact us, simplicityofdayton.com, or to find a local dealer in your area for Simplicity Vacuum Cleaner, go to simplicityvac.com and press on where to buy. Thank you.